guys, welcome to Sports Today. Yesterday, we got Lakshya Sain to speak to us, and you guys were asking whether we will get Chirag Shetty and Satvik together to speak to us. And here we have Satvik and Chirag together. Guys, welcome to Sports Today.
Thank you.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
All right, I'll ask first Satvik and then Chirag also can answer later on. Guys, is the feeling sunk in yet that you guys have won your second title?
Not yet. So we are like, I mean, still like, I was thinking like, oh, okay, we won the tournament. Okay, when we won the tournament, what happened last 2 days back? So it's still under like process. So we didn't got really good time to realize about it. We have like again we had a next day flight and we had good sleep for me. So I'm like still thinking, okay, we won the match. Okay. So I'm still seeing the message, congratulations and all these things. So happy.
I can see the broad smile on your face, Chirag. Satvik, can you just give a bit of headroom? Your headroom a bit? Yes, that'll be great. Chirag, coming back to you. What about you? I can see broad smile on Satvik's face. How has been the feeling with you? I mean, did you get a good night's sleep after the title win?
No, like Satvik said, we couldn't really sleep that day. Also, not just because we won the title, but also because we had a flight to catch the next day, an early morning flight to catch. So we couldn't really get any sleep. So yeah, we've still been receiving congratulatory messages, and yeah, the feeling has not yet sunk in. We are still. Uh, I think kind of in denial that yes, we've actually won the Indian Open because it was always a dream. I would say to play well at our home tournament and win the
Yeah.
title, and it couldn't have gotten better than to beat our on-court idols, Ehsan and Setiawan.
What would you put on top of? It's a question for both of you. Chirag, you can answer that because right before the tournament, you tested positive, and it came as a big shock to you before testing negative, and later on going on to play against your idols in the final and defeating them.
Well, yes, I think it was a topsy-turvy ride because, like you said, I tested positive just before leaving, and I had to quarantine myself for 2 days, and then I took a retest which uh, came out negative, and I was really happy that I could go there and play the tournament because I was not sure if I'll be playing the tournament uh, because obviously the situation was not that good either. I think it's straight out of a Bollywood movie. I would say that one day you are just one day you are not going to play the tournament, and then you go on to win the title. So yeah, it couldn't have ended on a better note for us.
Satvik, Chirag just mentioned it. It sounds like in a Bollywood movie that one day he's testing positive for COVID, and next day you guys went on to play the tournament and defeating your idols. Your take on that, Satvik, and also the fact that what conversation you had with Chirag when you first discovered that he was COVID positive. What was going inside your mind?
So yeah, like we gave test on the Friday something. So he was supposed to travel to Mumbai. He's going to home. So even before he was saying he was leaving, we are discussing. भाई अभी कुछ भी हो सकता है ready रहे result के लिए. So be ready for anything because the situation is like that. So we are in the academy only. We are not going anywhere, but still we can get virus from anywhere. So we don't know where we are getting.
Mm.
So we know them. So I was driving to the home. Then I got a call. भाई positive आ गया. I was like, भाई don't मजाक मत कर please. So he was like, नहीं भाई सच में positive आ गया. I was like, भाई अभी क्या करना है? So we really wanted to play the Indian Open because we already skipped 2 times. Last 2 times we didn't play because of my injury and one time there. So we wanted to do well in the Indian Open. So then again, so he said, भाई अभी तो मेरे को symptoms नहीं है. So क्या करना है? So he was like, okay, I will wait and do test again tomorrow. So luckily he got negative 2 times. He did twice, and then we went on Delhi and he did there. So he got negative. So yeah, luckily
So
we played. Yeah,
how
and we won.
emotional was the whole thing? Because from being from testing positive to turning the results coming negative and then going on to win the title, beating your rivals. How emotional was that whole journey in the whole situation?
Yeah,
Well, I think, yeah, Satvik,
Yeah, go
Satvik.
ahead.
bol bhai, bol.
So I think, like, like Satvik said, I the moment I tested positive, I called him up and I told him that, yeah, I tested positive, and we decided, we were thinking of skipping the tournament, but when I showed the results to my doctor, he told me that uh, you are asymptomatic, so you can there's a chance that you might test negative if you take another test. So I waited for that, and I took the medications and whatever there was, and then I took a test, and luckily I tested negative. And when I landed in Delhi, I took a retest again in Delhi as well for the tournament, and took a there too I tested negative. So then I could play the tournament. So yeah, from that to winning the tournament, I think it couldn't have gotten any better.
And
Beating
icing
our
on the
on court
cake,
idols.
exactly. I was about to ask, icing on the
Yeah,
cake, that beating your idols and taking selfie with them.
yeah, definitely on the podium. Like we took a selfie too with them. I think, yeah, it. I think it was a dream come true moment for both of us.
What about you, Satvik?
Yeah, like so we are used to drama now. Like before every tournament, we know some drama will happen. So like 1 week back, we are supposed to. I was planning to go home when he told that he was tested positive. I was thinking, okay, abhi kya karna hai? Abhi I will go for festival Sankranti. Then again he
Mm.
told he will get tested again. Then and again back to the tournament mood on. So so it was like quite emotional journey for us. So we were focusing on we are not focusing on the game, we are focusing outside. So abhi kya hoga, so because we are giving test every day, so we are like every day we are tense, like everyone is getting positive, our teammates like they are testing positive, and like so we were like bhai aaj result aaya kya, abhi kya hoga, what will happen, kya hai kiska kya aayega, abhi kya hoga match.
Mm.
So every day when we are waking up we are seeing the result, okay negative, okay we can play match. So till the last day we are like in that mood, not like winning the match, okay abhi we are playing finals, or we are playing against Hasan and Sedan. But in somewhere in mind we are thinking like आज का result क्या हुआ, हाँ negative, okay बच गया. So that
Mm.
was the thing going on. So when we run court, we are enjoying playing with them, we know how to play with them, we saw them from the childhood, we know how to handle so luckily we won, and we bet them. So it definitely it's a dream come true for us, and taking a selfie on the podium, so big thing for us.
My next question was about the same thing, that you said that you've been watching them since childhood. They're your childhood heroes. So how much of videos did you watch or observe them before the final to note down all the nuances of their game before the big final?
I think both me and Satvik, like I have played alongside him in the Premier Badminton League, and both me and Satvik have also played against Ehsan and Satyavan a couple of times. So we both know their game and they know our game. So yes, we did watch a few videos, YouTube videos before entering the court, because as we usually do, we usually plan the strategy right before entering the court, like what strokes we need to play and what we have to be ready for. So everything was planned, and I think the way we played and executed the strategy on court, I think it was simply to the point. I think we played a game which was extremely tactical, which we played a game that was not. Which we are known for, that is to attack, because uh, on on Sunday we played a game which was a lot more defensive, where we were converting it from defense to attack. So yeah, it was a different kind of game and a lot more tactical. So yeah, really happy with the way we played.
Satvik, my next question was before the game, were you guys excited or nervous, or excitement of playing against your idol, or nervous that it's such a big game and you are playing against your idol? This is for Satvik.
Uh, yeah, before match, like we are really excited. There is no nervous on us though, so we wanted to do well, and we are playing a big match after a long break. So we wanted to do well and playing in front of some crowd. Like there are some few people there sitting us from there and cheering for us. So like from our side, like we felt like excited. Like we wanted to do well. We are playing against Hassan and Satevan. We need a good match. We wanted to have a good entertainment match. We want to have some fun on court. So I think that was the thing which we worked really well. We are not under the pressure all the time. We kept them under pressure, and we are enjoying the every point and every rally. So yeah, we are like enjoying on the court for all the time.
And how has been the journey since winning the Thailand Open in 2019? This is a question for both of you.
So yeah, I'll go first. So I think since winning the Thailand Open in 2019, the journey has been really good. I think a lot more people recognize us, and I think the day we won the Thailand Open, the underdog tag kind of uh, went away, and now we were seen as the big threats. And I think it's fair to say that when we used to win against the top five pairs in the world, the headline used to be that Chirag and Satvik create a huge upset, but now the headlines are sort of different, and it has become that Chirag
Creates
and Satvik
history.
beat, yeah, and also just beat so and so pair. So it's not a huge upset anymore because people now expect us to beat those pairs. So yeah, it's been quite a journey since the Thailand Open, and yeah, I think uh, I can say that it's just the start, and there are a lot more things uh, to achieve in the future.
I can see a lot of team bonding when I watched your game, Chirag and Satvik, and also the understanding that you guys have between each other. It's very much evident here during the interview also, because when Satvik speaks, Chirag gives him a lot of time to speak, and he asks Chirag to go first, and vice versa. But during the COVID period, how tough was it to bond? During the COVID period, because it's not singles. You cannot just stay in your room and go
Mhm.
out and practice, because you have a double partner, and you have to practice with your double partners. And looking at the current situation and the COVID around, how difficult was it to bond with your partner? Yeah, go ahead,
Yeah,
Chirag. Yeah, Satvik, go ahead.
yeah. Initially, like it's a tough time for us. So we were there in home for almost 6 to 8 months. So initially, first 3 to 4 weeks were really nice for us, spending time with family. So we got a break to have fun with family. So then later on, like, so Olympics are coming, so we don't know when the courts will open, when this will be like a normal again, when we'll go for practice, when we'll go for Hyderabad and start practicing. And then luckily we got like some online classes. We are doing training on online. So yeah, every day me and Chirag were talking, kya hoga abhi tournament, kaise chalega next tournament, what you are planning, what you are doing there. And so every day we are doing like online classes, morning and the evening. Luckily we are in the fit shape. Then later again, in that tough time, we got Arjun Award in 2020. That was like good motivation for us to go ahead. Like after that, I tested positive. Then again, it was a bad time for me. Then again, how to get back on shape and play a tournament. But that time, like that motive was like we wanted to do well in the Olympics. Olympics are coming. We wanted to do training every day. We can't be sit in home and be lazy. And Olympics are coming. Olympics are coming. Even family was supporting. Do whatever you want to do. So that was a difficult time and good time for us to realize ourselves and see what body will react.
Uh, my question to Chirag is that, Chirag, do you think that the kind of attention singles get in India, doubles gets a stepmotherly treatment?
Yes, I would say that. So I think if you compare the attention that singles gets to the attention that we as doubles players get, I think yes, there is a difference. But having said that, I think times are definitely changing. People are definitely giving importance to doubles as well, because they know for a fact that it's a medal event in the Olympics. There's no like if a doubles player wins a medal, it's as good as it's the same as a singles players winning a medal. So right now, yeah, definitely things are changing, and I hope that in the near future we'll be, I would say, treated at par with the singles players.
Before I let you go, both of you, let's go. My last question to both of you would be, what's your next target?
Should I
Yeah, yeah.
think
Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah, I would say that the the prime like the near like in 2 months we'll be playing the All England Open in the month of March. So I think right now the first goal, the short term goal is to play good, is to be on the podium at the All England Open. I think if we are able to do that, that would be really good for us. So the short term goal is definitely to play well at the All England.
And Satvik, the same goal you have in your mind, or you're looking far much ahead to
No,
2024 Paris Olympics?
not yet. So we are focusing on one by one. So we are aiming for the All England Open. Then we have Commonwealth Games again. So last time we had silver. This time we are aiming for gold. We wanted to
Yes.
do well, and then we wanted to do well in the Asian Games. Then yeah, finally we have World Championship, and we wanted to do well on all the 4 events. So hopefully we'll do well.
Thank you guys for talking to us. It was a delight, talking to both of you and knowing how special this win was for you both. And we hope that going forward into the future, you guys get many more medals and laurels for India.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.